up, guys? This here's a 2014 Seagull lighting builder fan in my grandma's condo in Florida. I'm gonna give it a brief demo. Starting with the light, it's on wall control. See in here. This is my room, but yeah, I'm just gonna do this quickly. Here's low. Let me get a little bit of a jump. A little bit of a jump. There we go. Didn't really want to see. Yeah, this is installed in my room. It's not right little. It's not alright, but like it's whatever. Cheap builder fan, garbage, blah blah blah. Yeah, this is low on the wall control, and the pull chain. I barely use that chain. So, all right, here's medium. Turn the light off while I'm at it. Yeah, this is me. There's another one of these. There's two more of these. One in the other bedroom, and one more in the master. And then the rest of the fans in their house are Harbor Breeze Waveports, I think is the model name. I'm not entirely sure. I'll make videos of that at a later date. And here's high. There's a little bit of a startup whine, or a little bit of a doesn't go that fast, and it doesn't move a whole lot of air, but whatever. I don't know. Cheap builder fan, it does what it needs to do. And the wall control it's on is a little bit of an issue. I'll show you right now. So, see if we'll do it. Turn on the light on. Is that buzzing? Yeah, it stops. I don't know the exact. This is. It kind of just stops after a little bit. But yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know if there's like arcing going on. But that is what's going on with it. Shut it off. And yeah, that's the Seagull lighting builder fan. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.